Today you're going to learn how to prepare a super refreshing, creamy smoothie that's perfect for any time of the day. Start by choosing a very ripe melon, as this ensures a naturally sweeter smoothie full of flavor. Remove the seeds. This step is important to achieve a smooth texture. Cut the melon into strips, then carefully remove all the rind. After that, cut the melon into medium-sized pieces. There's no need to be extremely precise since everything will be blended, but smaller pieces make the preparation easier. Now grab a beautiful ripe banana. The riper it is, the creamier your smoothie will be, while also adding a natural sweetness that often eliminates the need for sugar. Peel the banana and cut it into pieces as well. With everything ready, place the melon and banana pieces into the blender. At this point, you can already imagine the mild, refreshing aroma of this mixture. Add about 5.07 fluid ounces of water. This amount helps blend the ingredients better and keeps the drink light, making it perfect to enjoy without feeling heavy. Blend everything until you get a smooth and creamy mixture. Now it's time to bring even more freshness to this drink. Add a few ice cubes and blend again. This step makes the smoothie even colder and gives it an extremely pleasant texture, ideal for hot days or whenever you need something revitalizing. With the smoothie ready, let's focus on presentation. Pour the drink into a glass. Besides enhancing the recipe, the transparency allows you to see all the creaminess of a smoothie. For a special touch, place a few small pieces of melon on the rim of the glass. This simple detail gives it a summery look worthy of a cafe. Finish with a few mint leaves. In addition to naturally flavoring the smoothie, mint brings an extra sensation of freshness that pairs perfectly with the melon and banana. And that's it! Now just serve and enjoy every sip of this delicious, nutritious, and extremely refreshing smoothie. A quick, beautiful option that's perfect for starting the day with energy or cooling off anytime.